The Richmond Spiders men's golf team has 2 events left in their season. UR is looking for a big finish.
A little bit up and down so far. We're kind of getting to the point where we're figuring out our lineup for the conference championship and really looking forward to that as our ultimate goal, to compete well and really make a run at the championship there.
Just looking through the tournaments and things, I mean, you've had guys play well, but you just haven't had all your guys play well together.
Yeah, that's kind of what our focus has been, is getting the right spots in the lineup and all playing well on the same day. And like you said, it just hasn't happened yet. But we see some light at the end of the tunnel, and we see some real bright spots too. So I'm actually excited for the last couple of events of the season here.
The Spiders moved their base of operations this season to Independence Golf Club in Chesterfield. UR is thrilled with the facilities.
I mean, the course is great. The wind's usually up, so we get to practice flighting the ball and whatnot. And we have a short game area, a couple of them actually, and the greens are usually kept in great condition. And that par 3 course is great for working shots around. You could drop a ball wherever and play to anything through anything and drop a couple balls around the green, get working on that short game. And it's a pretty sweet place.
UR will close out their season April 24th through the 26th at the Atlantic 10 Golf Championship in Harmony, Florida. The Spiders finished second last year, 1 stroke behind.
Yeah, we just missed by one shot last year, and all of us felt like we could have made up a shot here and there. So we definitely feel like we have a chance to win it again, or to win it this year.
Well, that was a heartbreaker. By 1 shot we lost, and so I keep that. There's a Virginia Golf Report newspaper clipping with the VCU Rams on the cover where they're holding their championship trophy. So I keep that in the office, and we've been looking at it. And the guys are really focused on that. And I think, everybody all year has had that in the back of their mind. So we're very motivated, and I think the golf course down there we've never seen before. So it's something new, and we're going to get down there and figure that out. And it'll be a fun trip for sure.